Hi guys, I am Isha Shah Rose. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, writer, inspirational speaker and publisher. Till now she has written 8 book titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries of Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces a Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Isha Shah. The spell is AESHA, and my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Isha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. It targets each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. December 26. The best revenge is a massive success. The person who keeps the ability to achieve his goal can able to achieve a lot from life. It is the process of gaining experiences and to see the beauty that never grows old. God gives the nuts, but He does not crack them. Youth brings happiness. It has the ability to see beauty. The person who is able to see the beauty never grows old. Productivity is an important factor in business because without productivity, there would be no sales, and without sales, there would be no profit. December 27. From a certain point onward, there is no longer any turning back. That is the point that must be reached. My guiding principle is this: guilt is never to be doubted. It is often safer to be in chains than to be free. Self control means effectiveness and a spiritual existence. The spirit becomes free only when it ceases to be a support. In a certain sense, the good is comfortless. December 28. I have never met a man so ignorant that I couldn't learn something from him. All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. We cannot teach people anything. We can only help them discover it within themselves. By denying scientific principles, one may maintain any paradox. We must say that there are as many squares as there are numbers. Where the sense fails us, reason must step in. December 29. It is better to be scared than to be absurd. You cannot be both. The first method for estimating the intelligence of a ruler is to look at the man he has around him. He who wishes to be obeyed are lucky ones because they know how to command. Politics has no relation to morals. Hatred is gained as much by good works as by evil. It is not titles that honor man, it is the man that honor titles. December 30. Love is the master key. Affection opens the gates of happiness, of hatred, of a jealousy, and most easily of all the gate of fear. To reach a port, we must sail, sometimes with the wind and sometimes against it, but we must not drift or lie at anchor. The immune of nature is always a flower. The young man knows the rules, but the old man knows the exceptions. It is the province of knowledge to speak, and it is the privilege of wisdom to listen. December 31st. It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well. If you would be a real seeker after truth, it is necessary that at least once in your life you doubt as far as possible all things. The reading of all good books leads you towards knowledge. Books are the conversations of the finest minds of our past centuries, except our own thoughts. There is nothing absolutely in our power. Whenever anyone has offended me, I try to raise my soul so high that the offense cannot reach it. Okay, guys, I know nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it, and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading this beautiful book. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moment of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.